Hello friends, welcome to VK Lectures. In this lecture, we will be discussing the question number 53. The total power radiated by charge Q moving with an acceleration A is proportional to. Now, here we have Larmor formula to find Larmor formula to find the radiation from an accelerated charge. So the power radiated P is equal to Q square A square. A is the acceleration, Q is the charge, by 6 pi epsilon naught C cube. Okay. So from this, power radiated is proportional to Q square A square. So option 2 is the answer. So P is proportional to Q square A square. So here we have a question for practice. If the acceleration of the charge is doubled, the radiated power will be. So the power radiated, as we know the Larmor formula, P is equal to Q square A square divided by 6 pi epsilon naught C cube. Now the question is, if the acceleration of the charge is doubled, so A is doubled means A becomes 2 times A. So A square becomes 2A squared. That means 4A square. It becomes the power radiated increases by 4 times.